YouTubers, subscribers, and friends, welcome to my channel. It's another gloomy, cold day, 55 degrees. It's 3:30 in the afternoon on my way home. I stopped. I wanted to get some bai. This is all they had was coconut and mango, Madagascar. And I figured, well, I've never tried it. Let me try it. Tastes pretty good. I'm on my way home, and I wanted to go check out this little cave I saw a couple weeks ago when I went to the White Stallion Ranch. And look, now it starts raining on me, so maybe I can still go check it out, but have like a wet hike or something. It's pretty gloomy out, and I figured I completely chose to go this way because I wanted to go check out that cave. And now it's like starting to rain a little bit harder now, but maybe I can still run up to it because it's not too far up the mountain. It's just on the other side of this mountain right here. Oh, you can't see it now, these houses in the way. This mountain right here, this is Rattlesnake Mountain on that side. I don't know why they call it Rattlesnake Mountain. I've never seen any rattlesnakes over there. I've hiked all over that mountain. This is the actual mountain that I want to go, but it's behind that mountain right there. That road right there is called Scenic View Drive right there, which I've hiked down many times with the adventure dog. But maybe it'll stop raining by the time I get there. Go around this corner here. Hopefully. Otherwise it's going to be a very wet hike. Like the mailman. Rain, sleet, snow, or rain will not stop my hikes from me going out again. Did that rhyme? Anyways, look at these views. I love the way the desert smells after it rains. I like that saguaro right there, just peeking right there on that ledge. Yeah. I see you up there on that ledge, saguaro. I see you. Guardian of the desert. Check out the mountain peaks. Check out them clouds. It looks awesome. It's quite chilly out here also. Ground is quite muddy. I don't got my new shoes on, I'll get my old New Balance. My wife don't want me to get my new ones muddy. Just look at the mountains though. That cave is a lot higher than what I remember. I didn't think I was going to have to hike up that high. So I don't want to get too far up and then it starts really raining down on me. For some reason, I can't see the cave very well like I did last time I was here. Wondering if I'm in the right spot. Could have swore it had like something around the cave. Anyways, check out these. I think that's the Jaguar Mountain there. I don't know. Somebody told me on Rattlesnake Mountain there's this thing they called the Jaguar. That looks like a prairie dog to me, or a lizard's head or something. I don't let the weather stop me from doing my hikes. Sounds like some kind of hawk or something down there, like crying out. Look at these rocks, man. Some awesome rocks. This is the time to come hiking over here because it's cold weather. No lizards, no snakes. Huh. Can't see that cave no more. It is much darker than what you're seeing on video right now. This camera that I have is it records in very good and very low light.
But believe me, it's very dark out right now. 3:30 in the afternoon. Just wanted to come on a quick little hike. It's much more rougher than what it looks like. Starting to sprinkle on me. Look at these swirls over here. My battery on my phone is just about dead, so I can't even take any pictures. Sprinkling on me. I don't want to get up too high where it starts raining hard. I can't get down without falling. These rocks are already slippery as it is. Look at it, like volcano rocks. I might find some kind of animal living in these rocks, taking shelter from this weather. Ooh, I'm up pretty high already. Look at this. Can't even see where my car is. Oh, look, I found some bones. Look at this. Some vertebrae. Something dragged this animal up here. There's more over there. So this place is home to something. Kitty, 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 kitty. In case there's a bobcat or cougar out here. He might think I'm nice if I call him. Kitty, 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 kitty. Something definitely laying right there. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Good spot for something to hide in there. I've never been over here. First time for me. I got chased by some cows on the last hike I went on. I do not see where that cave is. During the daytime when it's sun shining, you can clearly see a cave, but I cannot see any cave up there now. It's raining. It's coming down harder now. I have to turn around and go back down. There's my car way down there. I don't know if the camera's picking up the raindrops, but it's starting to rain harder now. Oh, it's a hiking fail. I'm gonna get my camera wet. So which way did I come up? Is my car way down there? Way down and it stops, just slowly sprinkling. I'm gonna have to come back here another day. Look, Mama, I found a bird bath. Oh yeah, it's raining. Let's go look at this rock really quick. I'm up on that rock. See if it isn't too slippery. Look, another bird bath. Another one. Look at them clouds. And it's raining. Hiking in the rain, Mama. I'll have to come back here another day because I do not see that cave anywhere. It's hidden by the darkness. Look at that. It's a long fall down there. Yep, still raining. Something lays there. Something big. There's a shotgun shell there. My wife's texting me. Is it raining where you're at? Yep. This is where I saw that other bird bath over here. Water, man. It's like this was purposely carved out for something. Nice, crisp, clean looking water for the animals to enjoy. I was up there pretty high. There's my car down there. It's still raining. And I was up there, but not this swirl, but that swirl right up there. I was up there, and then big rocks up there. Almost to the area where I think there's a cave. But you can't see it from this angle because it's pretty steep. My wife's telling me, just come back down. I don't want you dying in the rain hiking just for a video. So I'm headed back down. Got a nice little short hike today. Look at that swirl there. I dropped my camera too, because these rocks are, man, you could twist your ankle easily. I went like that, tripped and fell down and dropped my camera. Still working. That's what I love about these Sony Handycams. These are some tough cameras. I really put these cameras to work when I'm out doing these hikes. With the falls that I do and the drops that I do, these things are tough, man. Sony, if you're watching this video, sponsor me, man. I love these. These are the best freaking cameras ever, man. Action cameras. These Handycams. Uh-oh. Look what else I found. It's like a hip bone. There's something big out here dragging up this animal and eating it. That is clear. Nah, he's probably sitting up there on that ledge somewhere watching me. That's for sure. These wildcats, they will not give up their spot. You could walk right by them and not even know it. Because they're just like a cat. You have a cat in your house and it's on the sofa. Especially my cat blends in with my sofa so well. I walk right by her, I won't even know she's laying there. She won't move or anything. Same thing with these wildcats. I'm not on the menu though, so I'm not worried about it. That looks awesome though, man. Arizona desert in the rain is awesome. It's not raining now, it's completely stopped. But I was way up there. Way up there by that swirl right there. Alright, back in my car. I'm gonna start heading home, but maybe I'll get some shots of the desert in the rain while I'm on my way home. Alright, Mountain, I'll be back another day. Yeah, that's what they call a Jaguar Mountain. I think it looks like a prairie dog. There's actually a hole that you can see through it. But I'll hike up to that one day too. I'm gonna go over and show you this T-Rex looking rock. The rain is coming though. It was raining again and it stopped. This is the rock that I say looks like a T-Rex. When it's sunny out, you can see right there, looks like a mouth where that line is right there. Looks like a mouth, and then it has darker shades. Well, you can't see now because it's too dark. When the sun is out, it looks like teeth. Jagged teeth. That's why I call this T-Rex hill. I got a video where I actually hike up to it. And then it's got like an eye socket right there. Looks like the eyes of the T-Rex. These views, man. That guy probably thinks I'm following him. Everywhere he's going, I'm going. Look at them clouds. It's raining harder now. I think I quit hiking just at the right time. Look at that. Beam of sunlight coming down, peeking out. How can you not look at something like this and not believe in an almighty, powerful creator? So, the sun is bright now, man. Heading right into the rain. Peeking behind the mountain there. I think I quit hiking just at the right time because it's starting to rain even harder. This is my view every time I go home. Not the rain view, but the scenic view coming up here. Oh, it's cold. Whew.
in the clouds. Look at them mountains. Just look at them. That is awesome. Nobody coming behind me. These mountains have been getting covered with snow lately. It's weird. Back east and northeast are not getting any snow, and here we're getting snow. It's crazy. Going down into Hohokam Canyon. I live out that way, where it's still blue skies and sun shining, and this rain is coming from this way, coming towards my house. So it's not raining out where my wife and house is, but it's raining on me. It had to ruin my hike. Heading home. Alright, well, it's sun shining over there. Sun's peeking out here. I'm heading home. I guess I'm going to end this video here. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my videos as always. Remember, be kind to people. Treat people the way you want to be treated. And